Alright, this is Anomaly Exit. It's another Anomaly game. Apparently this one is multiplayer, but you can do it as single player too, and that's how I'm gonna do it, so let's play. Oh. Oh, are there different levels? Okay. Let's get a look. Escape the station. Okay. Ooh. Don't like how dark it is back here. Okay. It is not in the text. Report anomaly to button. Report any anomalies to the conductor. Do you remember your station? Exit station when no anomaly. Okay. Okay, do I need to press button? Oh, okay, there we go. E, start game. Remember this station. Okay. Purchase tickets here. We got M's up top. We got writing in there, which is illegible. Bro, do not do that. I saw it flicker up there too. Okay, so we've got Hishel? Hishel? Yeah, sure. Okay. Blue backpack. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, that's empty. That's locked. Travello, book now. Your overseas relaxation. Isn't that a real company? I don't know. Refresh yourself. Da soda. Oh, it's just soda repeated. Look at da soda. Brother. Parabon Dental. Smile like a clown. Litter stops here. Polarex camera. Capture the soul as it is. Oh, great. Rapid relief. You won't feel a thing anymore. TNCs apply. Okay. Those look normal. Okay, that's not openable. That's fire department. Standpipe do not block. Making bars. Okay, let's get a look down here. Albane? Okay. Brother. Fresh produce. Oxford markets every Saturday and Sunday. Oxford art. Oh, is this in England? Posh. Number 7. Okay. Oxford Square, 34th Street Station. Customer assistance intercom. Did they say exit if there's no anomaly? I think. Station 1. Okay, I gotcha.
Now arriving at Oxford Square. Oxford Square.
Okay, yeah, because we're starting here. Gotcha. Oh, okay. And then I go to here if there's an anomaly, right? Posh number 7. Can't read any of that. Find yourself at the Oxford Art Gallery and Cafe. Produce every Saturday and Sunday. Travello. Da Soda. Northbound departures, southbound departures. Refresh yourself, yes. Making bars. Oh, mark an anomaly to report if you can. So I have to actually mark the anomalies. I can't just guess. Oh, wait. Nope. Okay. Travello. Oh, there we go. Oh, I wonder if there are multiple anomalies. I don't know. Are we good? Oh, I get it. If there's an anomaly, I have to get back on the train, so I go to When I go to a messed up one, I have to report it, and then if not, I just leave the station. Okay. Station 2. Okay. Alright.
Mail arriving at Oxford Square.
And again, I assume that this is like 9 levels since there's 9s on the columns, but... Or maybe not. Brother. I hate the flashing fucking lights. Fucking bars. Parabon Dental. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Can we run? Can we run? Is there footsteps behind me? Oh no. Am I in danger, or did it just open the door? Oh yeah, no, we're going. Oh, did not like that, Okay. And we're going, and we're leaving, and we're departing, and we're not coming back, please? Ew. Are those cigarette butts down there? That's gross. Oh. Bitch ass. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god, he's gonna get me, 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 he's gonna... Oh god. I thought it was gonna be like the door. I thought it was gonna be like the door where it wasn't gonna, where it was just scary but not, like, gonna kill me. Oh. Oh no! 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 Shadow Man! Shadow Man! Shadow Man! He's gonna eat me! I haven't even taken any Benadryl! Oh. Fuck. It's gonna make me go and touch him, isn't it? There we go. There we go. We're good. We're going. We're going. We're going. We're going. Oh, fuck me! Well, I was wondering how obvious the anomalies were gonna be, and they are obvious. I'll give them that. Station 5. Please tell me I'm halfway there. Maybe a not anomaly level this time? Maybe we let Jenny leave without any complications? Maybe? The soda. Parabon Dental. Wait, no, not you, not you. I hear... Bro. I love how it says, mark anomaly to report, if you can. So it... And that was the thing that worried me, is that it's like, oh, are there gonna be some that are out of my reach? And it's like, no, some of them are... Oh, no. I didn't mean to. Oh. I was trying to... I wasn't trying to turn and look at him. I was trying to let go so I could go down the... Oh, fuck me. No, I didn't forget. Shut up. Yes, I know it's Oxford Square. Thank you. Brother! I think it's fine. I think it's fine. I think I'm good. Oh, no I'm not. You left at the first station. Yep, and now I'm gonna die. And now I'm gonna die. Great. Ugh. Ugh.
Mail arriving in Oxford Square. Oxford Square.
Well, I'll give this game something. I've played a handful of Anomaly games where they ended up not being that scary. This one sure fucking is. I hear something. But I wonder if that's just the distorted thing of the... Brother, the... Oh, God damn it, I did it again. Ugh. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not doing great at this. So what am I missing? Because the light's flickering is normal. That's normal. All of this is normal. What was that? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm not looking, I'm not looking, I'm not looking, I'm not looking. Oh, he's gonna get me, he's gonna get me, he's gonna get me, he's gonna... Oh my god! Oh my god, go away, go away, go away, go away, go away! Go away, go away, go away! Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Is the train safe? Oh. Ah. Jesus Christ. Oh no. Back on, back on, back on. E. E! I can see him right fucking there. Oh no, 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 no. Back on the train, back on the train, back on the train, back on the train! Oh god. Oh my god. This one is intense. I don't know if I'm in the right headspace for this game tonight. Oh. Could we maybe get like a less intense anomaly? Like a little haha funny? Like a little joke maybe? Like maybe her blinking at me or something? Like, can we get something that doesn't give me a goddamn heart attack? I heard, and I heard. And we're getting back on, and we're fucking... You bastard. We're gone, we're gone, we're gone. We're gone! Oh, thank God. Oh, no. Nope. We're gone. We're gone, we're gone, we're gone. Go. Go, go. I heard it. 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 Are we good? Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. That was... Woo! Oh. My heart hurts. I am not doing good right now. Station 5. Okay, I think this is where I died last time, so... Good for me. Probably gonna happen again. Brother! Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck! Go, 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 go. Get back on the fucking train! Get back on the fucking train! Get back on the fucking train! Report! Report! Ah! Why? Why would they do this to me? Oh, God. Okay. We might be okay. Possibly. If I'm wrong, If there's an anomaly I'm missing, if they make me start from the beginning, I might just be done for the night, because this is a little too much for me. Like, I'm actually kind of freaking out right now. Alright, let's... Aw, damn it. Okay. I don't know what I missed. Yeah, okay. I think I... Oh, no, 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 no. I'm dead. Yep. Well, it didn't kill me the other times. Okay. I think I'm gonna put this down for right now. I played for, like, almost half an hour, and I kind of feel like I'm having a heart attack on every single level, so I think it's a little too much for me tonight. So I'm gonna put this down and, maybe pick it up a different time, but, have a good night!